Y'all, I'm gonna show you how I made these amazing, awesome, not quite beautiful, shepherd's pie potato boats. Now it's a lot to wrap your head around. You're gonna wanna stick around to the end and give these bad boys a try with me. What do you say? All right, we're gonna start off with our baked potatoes. Yes, they're already baked. I don't need to show you how to bake them. In fact, I cheated. I threw them in the microwave for about 15 minutes. Now they're ready to do what we're gonna do. Slice the tops off, spoon out the inside. Got a bowl here for all the spoonage. We'll take those potato boats, put them in a little oil, get them fried up. That's right, we're making these extra healthy today. And then start making those mashed potatoes too. You wanna find the best side, so you got more of a flat side right here so it'll sit up. And we'll just take off the top part right here. All right. We're gonna go ahead and scrape out the tops and then spoon out the inside right here. Got it in the bowl. I got gloves on because these are freaking hot as hell. And you wanna do your best not to break the skins as you're scooping out. You're gonna wanna leave a little bit of flesh around the inside just so something, you know, has a little structure to it. All right, let me finish these up. Come on back. All right, boats are done. Let's go ahead and get them ready to be fried up. All right, let's make our mashed potatoes. We got some butter in there. I'm gonna go in with about a cup of sharp cheddar. Going with a little heavy cream. SPG, salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. Now we're gonna use this little handheld mixer thing here because we want it as smooth as can be when we put it on the top of that shepherd's pie, little potato boats. Got a plastic bag right here. We're gonna take it, put it in there, cut off the little edge right here, and then we'll squeeze it over the top of the shepherd's pie boats. We got our pan over here. We got it on some fire. I'm gonna add a little oil to it. This is what we're gonna deep fry those potato boats in. Let's check the temp on that oil. We want it at least 375. All right, we're at 380-ish. Let's go ahead and get those potato skins in. Probably could have used a little bit more oil in there, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Yeah, we got them all in. Probably about 5 minutes or so. We just want to see them turn a little golden brown. Then we'll pull them out, put them to the side. All right, that's what we're looking for. Golden brown. Get it out, put a little salt on it, call it a day. Potato skins are done, looking nice and golden brown and lovely. They're firmed up. They're gonna hold the weight in of the shepherd's pie mix. They're gonna hold that mashed potato over the top too. And they're gonna be freaking damn tasty. I mean, they're deep fried potatoes. How could you go wrong? You can't, you're not, you won't. Come closer. For all those in the chat that are trying to tell me this isn't shepherd's pie. No shit, Sherlock, it's not. It's close, has some components, right? Doesn't have lamb in it. I guess you'd call it more of a cottage pie. I know it, you know it. Don't be some jerk, some keyboard commando out there trying to tell me what I'm doing, what I'm not doing right, whatever. Just enjoy the damn recipe. Speaking of which, the ingredients and prep will be down below. You're welcome for a free recipe. All right, let's move along to making the filling for this. All right, let's start making the beef filling. Let's get a little olive oil in there. Going in with a little Wagyu, American Wagyu, Snaker Farms, guys, but use whatever beef you got. This is an 80-20. Fat is flavor, baby. Get a little SPG in there. Give it a mix. We're gonna take this pretty much till all the pink is gone. Then we'll add our veggies and our flour. Let's get our veggies in, frozen veggies. Give those a good mix. Let them soften up, defrost a little bit. We're gonna add about 1/3 of a cup of flour in there, give or take. We just wanna sop up all that grease. Want to cook out that raw flour taste in there. We're essentially doing this to help make a roux with the meat and the veggies in here. So when we pour in the beef stock, it's gonna thicken it up in there. It's gonna make it almost gravy-like around the meat and the veggies. But you wanna cook that raw flour flavor out of it real quick. Put about a minute or so. Guys, I put about a cup of veggies in there, but if you want more, put more. If you want less, put less. Don't stress out about it. Do a couple cups of beef broth or stock, whatever you got, don't worry about it. As you mix it up, you can see it's becoming thicker and thicker. Add a little bit more in. And we're going for a decently thick kind of gravy consistency in there. We don't want it runny in the boats. I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit and then we'll be able to build our shepherd's pie boats up. All right, y'all, we're coming into the home stretch right here. We got our meat filling. It's ready to go in. Got our little boats. Let's get them filled up. What do you say? If something gets on your tray, don't worry about it. It is what it is. Talk about a love boat, baby. Look at those. Doing all right. Okay, let's prepare the potatoes. The mashed potatoes will go over the top. Potatoes here. Got a little edge. We're gonna cut off the corner right there, and then we'll be able to squeeze it over the top. All right, we got our bagged potatoes here. Here goes nothing. It could be worse. What do you say? All right, I'm gonna do the rest of these and then we'll come back. Look, I'm not saying it's perfect, but it ain't bad looking. Let's finish doctoring it up. We're gonna do a little paprika on it just for the color, and we'll get it in the oven. Got a little smoked paprika to throw on, just for the color. We got on bake mode. We're gonna take it just to 10 minutes. Basically, we just want it kind of browned up in there. No big deal. 350 is fine. Let's hit start. All right, y'all. These potatoes are looking right. They're looking luscious. We got to get them in the oven. Ain't going to take much time at all. Just want to let the top kind of brown up a little bit. It's going to be amazing, guys. I can't wait to try one of these. Let me know what you think down below. Do that old YouTube thing for me. If you dig what I'm doing here, consider hitting that subscribe button, right? And if you're digging this recipe, hit that thumbs up too, would ya? Appreciate you. All right, let's wait for this thing to preheat and we'll get it in there. All right, time to get these out. They're done, they're browned up. They got a little bit of melty in there because obviously all the cheese and stuff, but they still look pretty dang good. Let's get them out. All right, guys, let's cut into one. What do you say? There you go, guys. Shepherd's pie. Potato boats, the whole thing's edible. Who needs a plate? Let's go. Let's give these a try. We're done. This is looking amazing. Cut it, you can see how the inside looks. I mean, it's shepherd's pie. I mean, how really is it gonna look on the inside? Let's just be real. But it's tasty. You can tell it's tasty. We're gonna give it a try. What do you say? I don't need no fork with this, right? This is finger food, baby. Cheers, y'all. Oh, hell yeah. Got a little potato on my beard. That's okay. That's okay. That right there is a thing of beauty, boys and girls. You're gonna want it. You're gonna need it in your life. And luckily, I made it easy for you by putting the ingredients and prep down below in the video description. That alone deserves your subscription, your thumbs up, all that good stuff. If you guys want to use anything in my videos, from knives to cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff, links are all down below in the video description. If you want to get one of these little handy dandy Ninja 55-in-1s, actually I think it's more like 11-in-1, but you get it. Ovens over here, I'll have a link down below for it too. If you'd like to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that are gonna run right out and try this, go grab a few potatoes and make this for themselves. Guys, this is too dang good. And it's not just me tooting my own horn. Actually, yeah, it's just me tooting my own horn. I'm the only one that's tried it so far, but hey, I know it's good. Anyway, there are two ways to join. Either you could hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit the join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. And thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.